Welcome to your IELTS listening practice from Spinta.org. This is a mini-test designed to help you practice a specific section of the exam and improve your confidence. The recording will be played one time only, just like in the official test. Let's begin.
Welcome to today's lecture on altruism in animal societies. We will delve deeply into this fascinating topic that encompasses various aspects of animal behavior, particularly kin selection and reciprocal helping behaviors. To establish a foundation, let us first define what altruism entails in the context of animal societies. Altruism refers to selfless behaviors, in which an individual may act to assist another, even at a cost to themselves. It seems counterintuitive to the idea of survival of the fittest, but this phenomenon plays a crucial role in enhancing the survival and reproductive success of the species involved. To better understand this concept, we need to explore the idea of kin selection, which is the first key concept we will discuss today. Kin selection is a form of natural selection that favors behaviors which help relatives survive and reproduce. It operates on the principle that organisms are more likely to assist those who are genetically related to them. One might wonder why an animal would risk its own life to save relatives. The answer lies in inclusive fitness, a concept introduced by biologist W.D. Hamilton. This theory suggests that an organism can improve its genetic success, not only through direct reproduction, but also by ensuring the survival of related offspring. Thus, by aiding their kin, such as siblings or cousins, individuals are effectively ensuring that shared genes are passed on to future generations. Consider the example of bees. Worker bees, which are sterile females, exhibit altruistic behaviors by helping the queen, who is their mother, to reproduce. Worker bees often risk their lives to defend the hive from predators, which directly ties into kin selection, since they are protecting their siblings within the hive. Additionally, we can expand on the significance of altruistic behaviors in other social insects, like ants and termites. These insects have evolved complex social structures that heavily rely on kin selection. Workers will often sacrifice their lives for the queen, thereby contributing to the overall fitness of the colony. Next, let's examine reciprocal helping behaviors. This aspect of altruism is predicated on the idea that individuals will assist others, with the expectation that those recipients will return the favor in the future. This behavior is seen in many social animals, including certain species of primates. For instance, chimpanzees engage in reciprocal grooming, where one chimpanzee grooms another, removing parasites and dirt from their fur. In return, the recipient of the grooming often reciprocates by offering the same assistance. This mutualism fosters cooperation and deepens social bonds within the group. Petty thefts have also been documented. More specifically, when an individual steals food from another, there is often a social cost associated with this behavior. To mitigate this risk, many animals exhibit reciprocal altruism to maintain important social relationships. A well-documented case of reciprocal helping behaviors can be found in vampire bats. These bats share blood meals with individuals that have been unsuccessful in their foraging efforts. In this case, the giving bat faces a risk of starvation, yet they will share food, because they recognize that this behavior will likely result in assistance when they themselves are in need. Furthermore, it's important to acknowledge that both kin selection and reciprocal helping behaviors significantly contribute to the survival and reproductive tactics of these species. By forming coalitions, they enhance their chances of avoiding predation and effectively acquiring resources. Moving forward, let's discuss cooperative breeding as another related concept. Cooperative breeding occurs when individuals help rear young that are not their own. This behavior is not only beneficial for the parents, but also increases the overall fitness of the group. For example, in species such as the meerkat, members of the group take turns babysitting the young, which allows the breeding pair to hunt more effectively and increases the chances of survival for the young. This strategy illustrates how altruistic behaviors often drive the success of a social structure. Additionally, Environmental factors can also play a significant role in determining the level of altruistic behaviors exhibited within a species. In harsh environments where resources are scarce, the need for cooperation typically rises. For this reason, you may observe heightened cooperative behaviors among species in challenging ecological conditions. In conclusion, altruism in animal societies offers a compelling insight into the workings of natural selection and the complex interactions among different species. Kin selection and reciprocal helping behaviors highlight the evolutionary significance of cooperation, social structures, and the necessity of mutual assistance for survival. Through examining the intricate balance of these behaviors, we better understand the evolution of sociality in various species, whether through kinship ties or the expectation of assistance. Altruism serves a fundamental role in shaping the dynamics of animal societies. Thank you for your attention. I hope this lecture has deepened your appreciation for the fascinating ways in which altruism manifests in the natural world, and the implications it poses for understanding animal behavior.
You have now completed the practice test. When you are ready for a full exam experience, visit us at Spinta.org. There you will find complete mock tests for all 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Our platform provides instant AI feedback for your speaking and writing tasks, along with an accurate prediction of your band score. Take control of your preparation at Spinta.org.